In this video, I'll show you how to turn on or off the 120 Hz refresh rate on your iPhone, also known as ProMotion. So if you have a newer iPhone and you want smoother scrolling and animations, or you'd rather limit it to 60 Hz to save battery, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting. First, let's make sure your iPhone actually supports ProMotion, which is Apple's 120 Hz refresh rate, is available on Pro models like the iPhone 13 Pro and newer Pro versions. If you're not sure which iPhone you have, open Settings, tap General, then tap About. Here, you'll see your model name. In my case, it shows iPhone 16 Pro, so this device supports the 120 Hz refresh rate. Now let's turn it on or off. Go back to the main settings screen, scroll down, and tap Accessibility. Inside Accessibility, tap on Motion. Scroll down, and you'll see an option called Limit Frame Rate. When this is turned on, your iPhone limits the display to 60 frames per second, which disables ProMotion. So if you want to turn off 120 Hz and stay at 60 Hz, toggle Limit Frame Rate on. If you want to use the full 120 Hz ProMotion experience, just make sure Limit Frame Rate is turned off. Once it's off, your iPhone will automatically use up to 120 Hz for smoother scrolling, animations, and supported apps and games. If this video helped you, please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with someone who might find it useful. We're a new channel, and your support really helps. Thanks for watching.